Hello dear friend, next I will introduce ELAT machine E5 Regina to you. First, let's see its accessories. This machine has 3 handpieces. This one with the red button is the HR handpiece for hair removal, and this handpiece with the blue button is for skin rejuvenation. And this is RF handpiece. This handpiece have 2 treating heads. This one, the small size one, is for eye treatment. This big one is for the face treatment. And this is to add water to funnel, and this one is power line. These are the accessories of this machine. Okay, next let's install this machine. First, let's notice these 3 holes. These 3 holes has its own handpiece to fix it. And this one is for the skin. This hole is for the skin rejuvenation handpiece. This hole is for the hair removal handpiece, and this one, the middle one, is for the RF handpiece. Next, let's connect it with the red button for the hair removal handpiece. Screw it up. Then put it on the shelf. Next, the RF handpiece. Put the handle on the shelf. Then the skin rejuvenation handpiece. The power line. This machine needs to add water for 2 times. Then let's first start times to add water. Press it here, then you can connect it with the funnel. Now the funnel is installed well. Then let's see here. There are 2 holes. This one is the overflow hose, and this one is the water drain hose. When we add water to the machine, we should open this hole. When there are some water flow through this hole, that means the water tank is full. Then we can stop add water. Next, let's add some water to this machine. Okay, you can see there are some water flows through this hole. Then we can stop adding water and screw it up. Then we start this machine, use this switch, and let the water to circulate in this machine for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, time is up. Then we turn off this machine and adding water for the 2nd time. The same with the last time. Screw it off and adding water through this funnel. Okay, you can see some water from this hole, then we can stop adding water and close this hole. Put the funnel off. It's okay. After we adding water for the second time, we can turn on the machine through this key. We should make sure this red emergency button is up. And you can see the open interface. Enter this button, and there are 3 channels you can choose: the simple mode, expert mode, and radio frequency. And first, let's say the simple mode. And there are 5 treatment channel you can choose. And in this mode, the parameters are already set well, and you just choose the skin types as the client needs. Then you stand back, and you can see the light is on. Okay, you can see now we choose the HR treatment channel, and we have standby starts work. You can see the light is on. And when we finish the treatment, press ready and return to the menu. And next we enter the expert mode. And here also have 5 treatment channels you can choose. Let's say the hair removal channel. And there are several parameters you need to set according to your needs. And the first one, pulse number. Press here when it changes colors, and we can adjust its number. Similarly, for the other parameters is adjusted by this way. This is the first pulse wise, and this is first delay. This is second pulse wise, and the first delay and other delays. After the parameters were set, and we can see this is IPL energy adjustment. We can adjust here, and this one is RF power adjust. This is cooling system degree. We can press here to adjust its cooling degree. And after all the parameters were set well, and then we click the standby button, and here we can see the hair removal handle slash is on. Then we can start the treatment. Before the treatment, we should put some cooling gel on the treatment parts, about 1 to 2 millimeters. Then we make sure the handle piece is closely connected with the screen, and press this red button. We can see the flash. The spot size should be 1 by 1, and the last spot size should be covered the first spot size 1/3 area. Okay, after the treatment is finished, we click here, and then the handpiece is stop work. And we can see there is a current count Now this number shows just this handpiece shows 7 times, and we can click this button. Now it's back to 0 again, and return to the menu. There is one point we should be noticed, and when we do the ELAT treatment, we should make sure the operator, means the doctor, should wear this protective glass, and for the patient, they should wear these goggles for protect their eyes. Next, let's see the radio frequency interface. Here we can see there are 3 parameters we need to adjust. The first one, time. It means the interval times between 2 RF view. And the second one is pulse. It means the wavelength of the RF energy. And this one is RF power. We can adjust its degree through these buttons. And this one is the cooling system degree, and we can press down here to adjust it. And now, after all the parameters was ready, then we can clear the standby button to start the treatment. But before that, we should make sure the treatment part should be applied some cooling gel. For 1 to 2 millimeters, it's okay. Okay, then we click here to start work. When we click this button, we can see the light is on, and put the treating hand vertically close to the screen, and press this button and move slowly. After the treatment is finished, then we click the button here, and then stop the work and return to the main phase. And turn off this machine through this key. Okay, that's all the operation details about this ELAT machine, E5.3. Other details, please see the other menu. That's all. Thank you. After the treatment, we should make sure the treating hands should be cleaned. Then we can put it on the shelf. And about the water, we should change the water in the machine about half a month for tap. That's okay.